If you're after a family SUV that brings comfort and confidence together, take a look at this 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe SEL Premium at Bryan's Car Corner in Chickasha. It's sitting right around 67,000 miles and comes with all-wheel drive, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission for smooth, capable driving. Inside, you'll find a navigation system with voice recognition and a touchscreen display, plus safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a pre-collision warning system with audible alerts. LED headlights round things out for better visibility on the road. This one is priced at $26,995 plus a $299 dock fee for a final price of $27,294. We work with over 30 banks and credit unions. Give us a call or visit bryanscarcorner.com to schedule your test drive today.